lumalamig siya na
iniinit ko sa pan kasi ayaw niya yung minsan iniinit.
Malamig. Ayaw niya malamig.
Hindi, ayaw niya na
Hey, be careful, Willie. Baby, be careful.
Yan. Okay.
Tapos gusto niya ganyan lang inaalatan ako. Isabi ko, di ba Hawaiian naman?
Pwede.
Kiti. Look. Kuya.
You want a pizza too?
Wow.
So what do you do at the chicken place? You work at a chicken place, right?
Yeah.
It's across the street from Pure Gold somewhere?
Pure gold. No. Here if you stretch it like this, you can see this one.
Yeah, that's when I make a hole. It's much easier when you do it.
Then you push it like this.
Okay.
So that it
Spread
can turn
out.
it back.
Okay. It's not gonna stick to the pan, you don't think?
No.
Oh, mine.
We already heat it, right?
You have. Yeah. We don't ever heat
Lang
ours.
init muna.
Hindi, kahit hindi naman natin. Kasi pag nasanay na to, when this screen is already in the hot, yeah, wala tayong ano kasi kahapon eh,
We just
timbangan
folded it
eh.
over.
You can make
We can make it a bread.
Oo nga,
Also,
di ba?
like
Yung, ano
The
yun?
garlic nut?
Garlic.
garlic, yeah. I can do that also. Dami na nila. Ewan ko sino yung nag-ano ngayon. Pero halos lahat naman ng head chef sa mga New York Supreme. Pag sauce. Tansya, don't
Don't put too much?
Yeah, just
Tansya.
tansyahin mo muna. Then,
Just, ano yung tansya?
We always put a shitload.
Siya yan,
You know.
kaya basa.
I told what is it, Greenwich people?
Saka sabi ko, wala talaga sa kamay mo.
buti hindi kayo nangunguha.
Cheese, because this
Yeah, you
pizza-
already taste it?
No, I
Yeah.
just look at the picture and the price and the cheese amount, it doesn't equal.
Tunog na yun,
Willie,
pwede
you're
na
gonna
daw
break
yun,
it,
sabi ni
baby,
Sir.
baby, stop. William.
Yummy. So, ano yung sa pizza ko yan?
Naku, sawa na te.
Ready to go.
You have oven at home, Kuya?
No?
You have oven? Fat to get to the good stuff.
Try natin yung machis tapos
It is
Ay,
cheese.
sa gilid.
machis siya tapos yung dapat hindi hiwalay yung sauce yung gustong try ni Sir. Kasi pag naluluto talaga, yung sauce nawawala. Pero ito, yung ginawa namin ngayon, dinamihan namin yung sauce. We doubled the